You're watching KingCam files. Uncensored, unfiltered, unbelievable. Let's get into it. Before we start, I've got some big news. To celebrate hitting 20 episodes, we're doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway. One lucky subscriber will win, and all you need to do is this. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. DM me proof on either Instagram or TikTok. It's that simple. I'll announce the winner soon. And that's not all. We're launching a brand new deep dive docu-series starting this week. Every Thursday, I'll break down the most intense stories in detail. Don't miss it. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me through these 20 episodes. I know it's just the beginning and we've come a long way in a short time. And it's been an honor creating these videos for you. Editing and making content for YouTube has always been my passion, and seeing your support makes it all worth it. As a thank you, I'm giving away a $50 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is subscribe and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Files. That's at KingCam Files. Thank you for supporting, and as usual, enjoy the rest of the video. Have an amazing, wonderful night, and peace. Neighbor tries to burn down house. He tried to set his neighbor's house on fire, with her kids still inside.
So
Cops showed up just in time to stop his twisted plan.
I just saw you and I got cameras. Yeah? What you gonna do? Oh my God. I got my kids in the house. Oh my God. Oh my God, please.
She thought pulling the handbrake would stop his road rage. Instead, it flipped their car, leaving him stunned and the bikers long gone. A crash caused by the dumbest move ever. She's gliding on the water, minding her own business, until a shark swims under and bumps her board. She stays calm, but it's every diver's worst nightmare. A helicopter approaches the farm, almost touching down, then spins out of control and slams into the ground. It was supposed to land smoothly, turned into a near disaster.
Listen, look at that.
Mysterious floating objects. People in Dubai look up to see a bizarre sight. Floating shapes in the sky that look like tombstones.
What is that?
Everyone's got theories, but no one knows what it really was.
غريب، شكله صخرة في الهواء. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Look at that.
What's going on? Oh my God.
What's there?
Oh.
You see? It's like, and there are two, right?
Yeah. اثنين. أول مرة. Here.
Oh, wow.
It started as a car honk, but ended with two couples wrestling on the road, fists flying. Nobody knew who hit first, but everyone was throwing down.
Right now, they're coming to my car on the freeway. They're here on the freeway.
What the fuck are you gonna do?
No, Johnny, don't get off the car. Don't get off the car.
What's up, homie?
What's up? What you brought? I already got
What are you gonna do?
Let him go. Look, what? He's not working the fucking meter. Let him go, fucking try.
The cops are on the phone.
You got chicks in the car.
Can you please come?
Oh, no.
They're fighting on the freeway.
Fuck you. Go.
Yes, physically.
Go, bro. Go, man. Please. Get the fuck out of here.
Please help. There's cars that are gonna get hit. Oh my god.
Go, please.
Oh my god. What do I do? Please help. What is up? The Glen Oaks Boulevard, what the ramp from please.
Let go, please.
Hello, it's Glen Oaks Boulevard, Best Buy. I don't know the address, I'm only 16. I don't know. Yes.
Let's go. Get in the car.
Get in the car, let's go. Get in the car.
Kids fly off snow ramp. They were just sledding down the hill until they hit a bump and got launched into the sky. Snow angels, midair, everybody's okay, but that landing was rough. That's it for this episode of KingCam Files. Remember to enter the giveaway and stay tuned for our new deep dive docuseries dropping every Thursday. Uncensored, unfiltered, unbelievable. And as usual, have an amazing, wonderful night and peace.